Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to solve iPhone iCloud storage full problem. If your iPhone's iCloud storage is full, there are several strategies you can use to free up space or manage your storage more effectively. First method, check iCloud storage usage. To do this is to go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, Manage Storage. Review which apps and data are consuming the most storage. Next method, optimize iCloud backup. Now go back to iCloud, Manage, then choose the device backup, tap on iCloud backup, then choose your device, and turn off backup for apps you don't need to backup by toggling off, then tap on turn off. Another method, free up iCloud photo storage. Now go back to iCloud, Photos, enable optimize iPhone storage to keep smaller versions of photos on your device while full resolution versions are stored in iCloud. Then delete unwanted photos on your Photos app and make sure to clear the recently deleted section. Last method, turn off iCloud Drive for some apps. Go back to iCloud, Manage Storage, iCloud Drive, then turn off iCloud Drive for apps you don't need to sync with iCloud, or just tap on Delete from iCloud. By following these steps, you can manage your iCloud storage more effectively and address the issue of running out of space. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.